If ChatGPT is feeling slow, laggy, or just taking forever to respond, this quick guide will show you a few simple ways to speed it up right away. These are easy fixes you can try in just a minute or two, and they can make a big difference if you use ChatGPT every day for work, study, or content creation. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app. If it's already open and acting sluggish, the first thing you should do is refresh the page. A simple refresh can clear temporary loading issues and reconnect the session, which often fixes slow response times instantly. If that doesn't help, move on to your internet connection. ChatGPT works much better when your connection is stable and fast, so switch to strong Wi-Fi if you're on weak mobile data, or move closer to your router if the signal is poor. Sometimes the problem is not ChatGPT itself, but a slow or unstable network in the background. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store a lot of temporary data, and that can sometimes cause websites like ChatGPT to load slowly or behave strangely. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cached files and cookies. If you want a faster shortcut, you can also try using Incognito mode or a private window. This gives you a cleaner session without the extra stored data from your regular browser profile, and it can help ChatGPT run more smoothly. After that, take a look at everything else running on your device. If you have too many browser tabs open, too many apps running, or a lot of background programs using memory, your computer may not have enough RAM left to keep ChatGPT running fast. Close any extra tabs you don't need, shut down unused apps, and give your system a little breathing room. That extra memory can help improve performance more than you might expect. If you're on a laptop or an older device, this step can be especially useful. So to quickly recap, refresh ChatGPT, use a stronger internet connection, clear your browser cache and cookies or try incognito mode, and close extra tabs and apps to free up RAM. These are the fastest ways to speed up ChatGPT with any complicated setup. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple AI and software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.